What I want to show you today is how to create a contact group in your HFM BOCES email. So this will just make your life a little bit easier if you find yourself constantly emailing the same group of people over and over again and you get sick of typing in their names every single time, or maybe you're worried that you're going to forget someone, or maybe you have forgotten someone. If you create a contact group, it just kind of takes the guesswork out of it and you can just email the contact group and not have to worry about it. So this definitely is most beneficial if you have a larger group of people. So maybe like your team that you meet with every week, or like I have groups for all of the people who have iPads or all of the classroom teachers. If it's just a small group of like 2 or 3 people, it might actually be easier for you to just type in their email addresses every time. But if it's more than like 4 people, I would say, then this should definitely save you some time. So if you go into your email, and I'm in Internet Explorer because it works best in Internet Explorer. Some little buttons don't work when you're using Chrome. By default, you're going to be in the Mail tab, but for this we actually want to go to the Contacts tab. So if you go to Contacts, and then if you go up here to the New button, you actually want to click on the little arrow next to New. Don't click on the word New itself, click on the arrow next to it, and then hit Group. And then you can name your group. So I'm going to make a group of the people in my suite. And then in this box next to the word members, you can start typing the names of people you want to add. So if you have emailed people from webmail, then they will pop up. So if I start typing Jody's name, she's going to pop up. I can just hit enter and boom, she's in the group. So I'm just going to keep typing in names, hitting enter, and it will keep adding them to my group. Now, if you want to add someone and you haven't emailed them before, you can type in their full email address and just hit enter, and it will populate that way too. So it's pretty easy to add people to this list, and then you just hit save and close, and your group is created. So it's pretty simple, but then when you go to email them, so I'm going back into my mail tab, and I'm going to start a new message. The sort of annoying thing is you always have to hit this to button. So with regular contacts, once you've emailed the person once, you can type in their name and it'll populate. But with groups, even though like I've emailed this group 14, 15 classroom teachers a bunch of times, it still doesn't pop up. So you still have to hit the to button no matter what when it comes to groups. So that's why I said it's most beneficial if you have a larger group. If it's just a couple people, it might be just as easy to type in their names. So I'm going to click on the to button, and then by default I'm in the global address list, but your groups are actually saved in your contacts. So I actually am going to click on contacts, and then I can search for my group, and there's my suite. I click on to, and then OK. And now I'm sending a message to my suite. So I don't have to worry that I forgot someone. I don't have to type in 20 different names. They're all right there in the My Suite group. So hopefully this will save some time for you guys if you're sending emails to larger groups. And as always, if you have any questions or need any help, please let me know, and I'm happy to help.